Kentucky. It's like the fucking Special Olympics, dude. Everybody's a winner, you know?
You ride crocodiles down in Florida. Shut up.
I mean, Kentucky is the asshole of West Virginia.
You look like West Virginia.
Yeah. Good comeback. Boy,
Good.
You got 'em,
Shut the fuck up. You go swimming with otters. You look like you built a
on
dam.
the fourth, blowing your fucking dick or hand off?
What?
I'm sorry, I don't understand that word.
Will you just sell me a monkey and quit being unprofessional?
Come and buy a monkey, motherfucker.
I want you to send me it in the mail. I want you to tie it to a pigeon's foot and send it to me.
You know, get in your horse and carriage or your beaters up on blocks or whatever, your fucking moped, and come on down and get you one.
I'm going to come down there to Florida. I want to come down there to Florida and get a soda can sized monkey.
Come down and get you one then.
I'm going to. I'm glad you're being civil with me now.
We'll leave the light on for you.
You better leave the light on for me. I'll slap the ugly out of you.
Oh, dude, you ain't slapping nothing but your mommy's ass.
I'll slap your wife's ass when she's bending over for me with all them monkeys around my fingers.
Damn. How many kids y'all got now? Don't lie.
I got 7 kids with your wife.
That's nice.
And I got 8 with the little monkeys you got in them cages letting die.
When they were
You smell like raw hot dog water.